Hi, I'm Putting from DMC. Did you know that you can actually set up an actual shop on your Facebook page? If you're looking for a new avenue to promote your product, you should consider adding a Facebook shop on your Facebook page. It is incredibly easy to do and no cost added to you. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Facebook shop.
Is what you need before you can get. Number one, a Facebook account. Number two, a Facebook business page. Okay, if you have an online store or you want to set up a new one, you can using Facebook. Facebook is an easy and effective way to boost your sales. Okay, Facebook store is a page which you can sell product through to reach a wider customer base. You might also have heard this referred to as Facebook shop. Okay, this is exactly the same thing, just under a slightly different name. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to set up a Facebook shop. You have to open your Facebook page and make sure you have admin access. Okay, let's just open my Facebook page. Okay, by default, many business page already have a shop page show on the business page. Okay, left hand side, shop button. So your customer don't see it, but you do. Okay, in order to get started, just click on the shop button. Okay, from your shop tab, you can see there's a button, add product. You just click on it. Okay, you'll be able to add product image, video, okay, the product name, price, descriptions, and so on. So first step is add photos. Okay, add your product photos. Okay, my product is choreo style long dress. Okay, and then click on use photo. Okay, name, just type your product name. Okay, choreo style long dress. Price, okay, 50 ringgit. Okay, and then, okay, can you see this button? This product is on sale. Okay, if you want to make a promotion, you just turn on this button. Okay, this product is on sale. Okay, the original price is 50 ringgit. For the sales price is how much? Maybe 45. Okay, just click on this turn on button. You can type the sales price. Okay, for product descriptions, okay, that's very easy. Okay, choreo style long dress. Size S, M, L. Okay, color, for example, black and white. Okay, so make sure inventory is turned on, is in stock and visibility. Okay, share to public. Okay, the condition. Okay, if the product is new, just click on new. Okay, so after that, click on add product. Okay, that's very easy. Just click on OK. Okay, other than that, okay, this is final step. After you publish your product, you can actually add collections. Means you can group your similar products into collections, okay, helping to facilitate more purchase and keeping your shop organized. Okay, just click on add collection. That's it. Okay.
Thank you for watching. If you like our video, remember to help us like and share. If you have yet to subscribe, remember to click on the subscribe button and most importantly, hit on the bell icon so that you'll be able to receive notifications when we launch our new videos. See you in the next video.